Alright, just another minute to be sure. I don't want to eat uncooked chicken. But is it cooked? Not cooked? I'm just heating it up. It's going to be too hot. Well, that'll be great. Super hot chicken. Overcooked. Well, anyway. That's my life right now. Microwave dinners. Delicious. Let's see, I need a fork. Somewhere. I've got a fork. There we go. Reset that. Give me just a moment. Alright. Super hot. Super hot. There we go. Ooh, look at that steam. Can you see it? Oh yeah, there's the steam. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing turned around here. Alright. Yummy, yummy for your tummy. Maybe not your tummy. Probably be my tummy. Alright. Give this a little stirry. Who's excited about eating microwave dinner? And it's a healthy choice, so hopefully with our healthy choice, we'll get healthy, feel healthy, be healthy. I think I just dripped on something. Ew. You don't want to be dripping. Yep, there it is. Alright, throw that away. Fortunately, it dripped right on a Ziploc bag, so I could throw that Ziploc bag away and not have to worry about it. Cheers. Konnichiwa. Alright. This looks... It looks a little sad, I'll be honest. It looks a little sad, but hopefully it's good. That's chicken. Somebody was telling me that even the healthy choices are no good as far as health because there's so much sodium. So let's see how much sodium's in this one. 590 milligrams of sodium, which is 26% of your daily value. So what you're allowed per day if you're on a 2,000 calorie diet, obviously. I have been to Japan. Oh, that's hot. You know what I want? I want just a little crunch, a little added texture here. So I'm gonna get some Ritz crackers. Instantly going from healthy to no longer healthy. But I'm okay with that because I want a little crunch. And this healthy choice has no crunch.